Joe Holbrook here, the Cloud Tech Guy. Thanks for joining. Let's go ahead and talk about the tech job market and understand that it's transforming and that there are remote roles that you could jump on that are technical and high paying at the same time. Now in this video, we're going to break down the top 5 remote roles for 2025. And I'll talk about what you can do, what are the skills you need, and also the salary range that you can expect in the United States. First remote role in demand is an AI and an ML learning specialist. So if you have skills around AI and machine learning, this is going to be a role that could be ideal for you. Now, to become an AI and ML specialist, you're going to definitely want to know languages such as Python, to use specific LLMs, learning models that is. Could be everything around Hugging Face, OpenAI, Perplexity, just a number of different options out there. So having the skills can be a big deal in that area. Now the salary for a remote role could range anywhere from $165,000 to $200,000 in the United States. Now this role is typically ideal for remote work because of the fact that you're going to be coding online and you're going to be typically manipulating data, migrating data, using data to ingest into your learning models. And generally, it uses a cloud as well. The second remote role would be a cybersecurity professional. Now, this is a wide area, so this could include anything from a cybersecurity analyst to a pen tester to a cloud security engineer. And roles like that are in high demand still. It is somewhat competitive in a lot of areas in the US, but again, a role like that is still in demand. Now, what do you need to do typically in a lot of these roles? Your main goal is to protect the organization against cyber threats. You're really the digital guardian of that organization. Now, typically you need to have a deep understanding of network security, potential threats, and also have certifications such as the CISSP, the CCSP, Security Plus, just to name a few. Now, a remote cybersecurity analyst, for example, can expect an average pay range of around $99,000 to $140,000 a year. Pretty good job. Now, this type of remote role is ideal for someone that is going to want to work from home and be available a lot of the time. Now, typically a role in cybersecurity could have a lot of different hours because of the potential of threats and challenges that may come up. The next remote role is going to be a cloud computing professional, such as an engineer or an architect. Now, these roles have been my favorite for quite a while. A lot of great potential upside. And if you like to learn every day, you really can't beat a role like this. Now, when it comes to becoming, let's say, a cloud engineer, your main goal in life is to make sure that the cloud is working as it needs to. Services are available. Developers have resources that they need. FinOps is being managed. In other words, the financial operations. Just a lot of things to deal with as a cloud engineer. Now, proficiency in platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud, Azure would be expected. Another thing that we see as a cloud engineer is going to be really focused on open source tools such as Kubernetes, Docker, and Terraform as well, just to name a few. Now, DevOps is also typically part of a cloud engineer role nowadays. So what is the salary range, though, for a cloud engineer or cloud architect? Well, that range could be anywhere from $120,000 or so up to $200,000, depending again on the platform, your experience, the type of company, a number of different factors. So when it comes to a cloud role that's remote, a cloud engineer or even an architect is a natural fit for a remote role because of the obvious, it's in the cloud. There's no need to be in that company office other than for meetings. Before we continue with the video, please definitely check out Cloud InterviewACE if you're getting ready for that cloud computing interview and you need some help getting ramped up for that ever-critical cloud computing interview. Whether it's AWS, Google, Azure, any other platform, this is a hybrid program that is going to allow you to go through all the important technical and soft skills you'll need to ace the cloud computing interview. And there's also coaching as well and whiteboarding sessions that'll really enable you to provide value in your interview. It's called Cloud InterviewACE. Please check the description for the discount code and link for Cloud InterviewACE. Coming in next is the data scientist or the data analyst. Now, typically in these roles, you're going to be working with data day to day. That'll be transforming data. That'll be setting up ETL, ELT pipelines. That'll be providing value in the form of typically graphs and other formats that the company can use to derive value out of the data. Now, the key skills revolve typically around SQL in a lot of these roles. Python is widely used as well. Are just a number of different programming languages. A remote data scientist role can range from $120,000 to $173,000 per year. Now, these types of roles are going to be fully online, working remote. And what I typically see as well in these roles is that there really isn't going to be any opportunity to travel. Again, you're going to be at home most of the time. So this is a great role, especially if you have kids or something like that. Last but not least is going to be a role that could be very surprising for a lot of people to hear about. And typically this role has traditionally been more of an on-site or at the customer site type of role. And the role is, of course, a pre-sales engineer or an architect. Now, these types of roles are, in my opinion, the most fun, the most rewarding type of roles. And I'll explain why quickly here. First, these types of roles, you're going to be part of the sales team, but also part of the engineering team. You're typically going to be accepted by two families, and that can be a good thing in a lot of ways because you have a lot of great learning opportunities, but also you have a better compensation structure as well because of the potential of upside. Now, typically as a pre-sales engineer or architect, you're really the Swiss Army knife of really anything technical, and you're the go-to person. You're the trusted advisor. Now, these types of roles can pay anywhere between $130,000 to $200,000+. I know my experience in these roles have been really fun. And as an example, when I was working for 3 Data, that type of role was about 65% at home and then 35% travel. But then the role with Dimension Data as a pre-sales engineer was literally 90% at home and only about 10% travel. So a lot of people don't think of these roles, but again, this is a great role for someone that's really good with people and also really good technically as well. So how do you actually land one of these roles? Now, I'll give you a bonus tip. One of the things you have to do nowadays is you need to have a portfolio. This portfolio could be on GitHub, it could be on GitLab, it could even be a repository on a website like WordPress. But with that said, having some type of profile available that can show potential employers what you've accomplished with visuals, such as your code sets, such as a video walking through a project. These things can really help. Any documentation you created that you can leave public is great to really help you get engaged faster with the hiring team. If this was helpful, please definitely subscribe and hit that like button as well. The future of work is remote, and these 5 roles can certainly provide you the opportunity with great pay and flexibility. And I certainly hope that one of these roles are going to be for you, and definitely take the time to go through and get your resume ready to go for one of these roles. Thanks for watching.